Foggy headlights not only look bad but can also impair nighttime visibility on even the best cars, creating a safety hazard. If you're not willing to shell out the money for new headlight lenses, your wisest alternative is to search for the best headlight restoration kit. It's quick and easy to get the yellow, cloudy residue off your headlights, making your car safer and better looking. If your headlights are foggy and you don't feel like paying for replacements, check out a headlight restoration kit. 1. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit has a 3-step process that produces some of the best results in terms of clarity, proving it can tackle heavy-duty yellowing. This is why we've chosen it as the overall best headlight restoration kit. When using the Sylvania product, the first step is to spray on the surface activator to soften the plastic. Then, you sand off the initial clear coat and apply a polishing compound. The last step is to rub on a UV blocker that will prevent future sun damage. 2. Rust-Oleum Wipe. New Headlight Restore. The headlight cleaner kit includes a microfiber towel and a pair of gloves as well as a sealant, but as with all these kits you'll also need a spray bottle with water. The first step is to wet the headlamp. Use the 2000 grit side of the small polishing pad. Then flip it over to the 3000 grit side for more polishing. Wipe dry with the included towel and apply the Wipe-It sealant across the plastic lens. The directions state that the lens will be dry to the touch within an hour and should not come into contact with any moisture for 24 hours lest the finish streak or spot. The ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the headlights prevents hazing and faded headlights. 3. Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. The Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit aims for high-quality results and a leisurely restoration process. This earns it a spot on our list of the best headlight cleaners. The kit includes a drill attachment, coarse restoration discs, a foam ball polish applicator, and a bottle of polish. The instructions call for a mix of dry sanding and wet sanding, so you'll want to double-check as you move through the cleaning process. The only items you'll need to supply are painter's tape, gloves, and a microfiber towel to dry your newly shined headlights. 4. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit comes with gloves and a sealant but does not include a towel. The first step is to use the oxidization remover wipe over the dull headlights. It's really satisfying to see the yellow oxidization come off on the wipe. Next, use the surface prep disc to wet polish the lens. You'll do this twice, once with 3000 grit sandpaper and once with 2000 grit. After thoroughly rinsing and drying the lens, swipe the clear coat wipe across and wait for it to dry. The directions say the lens should not be exposed to any direct moisture for 1 hour. This headlight restorer provides UV protection and reduces UV damage due to its professional-grade ceramic coating. 5.3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. This 3M headlight restoration kit does not contain gloves, a towel or a sealant. It also does not use as much wet sanding. The first step is to attach the disc pad holder to the drill. Use the 500 grit sandpaper on a dry lens. Then switch to an 800 grit disc and again sand the vehicle's headlight lens dry. Lastly, use the 3000 grit foam disc and water for a fine sanding. To polish, attach the large foam pad to the holder and add a dime-sized amount of 3M rubbing compound to it. Polish and use a microfiber cloth to buff and dry the lens. 6. Armor All. Best for quick and easy cleanups. Armor All Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration Wipes are worth trying if your headlights are just barely fogged up. Scrub with the oxidation removal wipes, and then wipe with the UV sealant wipe to keep it shiny. Reviews are a bit mixed, so we only recommend these for a quick clean on some slightly foggy lenses. Anything more, and you'll want one of the kits below.